Hey, I'm Dan Haesler, and I am really looking forward to joining you all at EdInspire in Singapore in November. As a former high school PE teacher of 15 years, having worked in England and Australia, I now find myself as a high performance coach working with elite athletes and teams, corporate organisations, and lots of schools and universities. My work centres on what's required for people to thrive professionally and personally. And I'm really looking forward to sharing some ideas and some experiences with you all in Singapore. I'm fortunate to be quite involved in the conference this year, from running a pre-conference masterclass to delivering a keynote and then rounding it out by facilitating a workshop. Now, the pre-conference masterclass is going to shine a light on you as an individual. It's less about the school you lead and more about the life you lead. We're going to look at some high performance habits around how you show up, how you manage your energy, how you recover. And we're going to look at what the science tells us about what constitutes real high performing habits. This isn't about hacks. This is about creating a consistent, mindful and deliberate approach to leading your life in the most sustainable way you can when leading in a complex environment such as a school. Now, in my keynote, Better Together, we're going to be exploring the intersection between an individual's responsibility to show up with the right mindset and be accountable, and the environment in which we're asking them to show up with accountability and the right mindset. We're going to look at some of the environmental factors, some of the cultural considerations that we need to be really deliberate about cultivating as leaders in order to get better together. And in my workshop, we'll be digging into what I frame as the 5 C's of a high-performing culture. These elements that absolutely must be present and nurtured in order for us to achieve high outcomes, but crucially achieve them in a sustainable way. This isn't high performance at the cost of burnout. This is ensuring that we create environments where people can thrive professionally and personally. So I'm really looking forward to meeting you all in Singapore. I'm actually looking forward to learning as much as I am sharing my ideas, and hopefully building 1 or 2 relationships that grow beyond the conference. So I'll see you there.